Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Wallet Connect in order to open, for example, a Rarible account or an OpenSea account. In this video I'm going to demonstrate it to you by using the example of OpenSea.io. So right now I am on OpenSea.io, and if you want to create an account here, you will have to connect your Ethereum wallet. And for NFT stuff, I usually just use the Rarible wallet. Normally for my crypto, I use the Trustwallet, but I'll show you now how to use Wallet Connect. Yeah, so you want to hit my profile and you'll see this pop up. You need an Ethereum wallet to use OpenSea. Continue with Fortmatic. No, we want to use a different wallet. Sometimes, by the way, it's going to suggest MetaMask, sometimes something else, I don't really know. But we want to find this option, Wallet Connect. And then we're going to hit Wallet Connect, and it will say continue with Wallet Connect. And then once you hit this, you'll see this QR code. So now you have to go to the Rarible wallet on your phone. If you don't know how to create a wallet, I created this wallet in my tutorial series, yeah? So check this video out, link is in the description. And then what you want to do is you want to swipe right. So here, this is your main wallet, and then you swipe left, and then you'll find this option here, this scanner. And it will say find a code to scan, and you literally just hit this. Rarible would like to send you push notifications, okay, yes. And Rarible would like to send you notifications, allow, okay. And see, OpenSea wants to connect your wallet. So you need to find this option there in the top right corner, and then you scan the barcode, and then you hit connect. And you'll see it loads now, and you will have created a profile. Obviously it's gonna say unnamed, but yeah, you can just go here and edit. You can edit your profile picture, the banner, your name, and then you can upload NFTs well to this account. I also made videos on how to upload NFTs, so check them out. But this is how you use Wallet Connect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, smash the like button and leave a subscription to the channel. I post daily videos, mainly about crypto, sometimes about traveling as well. I'm currently on my mission to visit every country on the planet. So if you want to join me on this adventure, yeah, make sure to join my little YouTube channel community. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.